Good evening, everyone. This is Vanessa with Glam Crafts by Vanessa. I'm a wreath maker. If you're not following me already, I make wreaths, garlands, and decor for your doors. All of my items are available on my website at www.glamcraftsbyvanessa.com. Today I want to show you all some new items that I'll be adding to my website. I have this new wreath, I have a garland, and 2 more wreaths that I'll be showing you today. I know that right now I am a little bit late. I wanted to come on live at 7 a.m., but I've been running back and forth, so I'm just gonna wait a little bit more time. Thank you for joining. If you want to be entered into a giveaway, please make sure to comment during the live. I've also added the link to my website down below. If you haven't already seen it, go ahead and check it out. I'm just gonna wait a little bit more to see if more people join us. Whoa. A few other things that I want to mention is I did just create a new YouTube channel. What I want to do with my YouTube channel is create more different content. I want to offer tutorials on decor ideas because I will be decorating my front porch and I'll be showing you guys, I'll be posting videos, how-to videos on YouTube. I want to engage with you guys. I like being creative. So I want to offer ideas on how to decorate on a budget, right? Things you can color or paint, things you can put together to create a really nice, I guess, like background for pictures. I'm planning on getting done with my front porch very soon. And with that, I want to also announce that I will be working with Walmart. It's really big news. I want to be able to offer you guys great decor tips that can match the wreaths that I make, and I'll be promoting products for Walmart. Another thing that I want to mention is I also have a TikTok and an Instagram account. So if you don't follow me there, go ahead and do so. I want to be able to offer different content throughout all my different social media platforms. I don't want to be posting the same videos and the same pictures again and again. So on TikTok, I have been trying very hard to post little behind the scenes. So while I'm painting certain signs or I'm making a wreath, I take pictures during the process so then I can post them on my TikTok or now YouTube. So if you don't follow me already, go ahead and do so. If you are joining me during this live, please make sure to comment so you can be entered into a giveaway. I will be awarding a $10 gift card. For every 5 people that watch this live, I will be announcing one winner right after the live ends. This Facebook live will be very short and sweet. I just want to show you guys some of the new items that I'll be selling. So let's go ahead and start. This wreath is very big, very beautiful. It's of Jack Skellington. It's made on a pine base. Hola, buenas noches. Gracias por ver este video. Voy a enseñarles una de las nuevas coronas que estoy ofreciendo, ¿verdad? Para Halloween y Thanksgiving. Esta es una corona nueva, aún no está en mi sitio de web. It is not on my website yet, guys, but I will be posting it tomorrow. I have not taken pictures of the wreath or anything. The price range will probably be more than $100, if not $100 flat, because of this large Jack Skellington. It has lots of ornaments all around, super cute, very, very big. Gracias por comentar. Te voy a agregar al giveaway. Voy a estar regalando $10 de crédito para mi sitio de web. Lenny? Okay, so this wreath, guys, it is beautiful. It's made on a pine base. You don't have to use it for Halloween only. You can use it for Halloween and Christmas. A lot of people decorate for Christmas of Jack Skellington. You can use it for that as well. If your kids like Jack Skellington and you want to decorate their rooms, this is also a great wreath for that. You can hang it on their door and it would look super cute. It helps personalize their space. They can show it to all their friends. Or if you want to hang it on your front door, this wreath is perfect for that. With that being said, I also have this matching garland, which I've hung already. This garland is very simple, but it is very cute. I wanted to make something that's not too wide. I added some large ornaments. It's made on a pine garland. It's very easy to hang. I just hung this up right now. It has lots of deco mesh and lots of bows. This garland will also be at a very affordable rate because it is simple. I'm thinking maybe $120. $120 for this garland, which I'll be posting more information tomorrow morning. If you want a garland that is more full, more wide, or you want it to have much more deco mesh and ribbon, I can definitely do so, but the price would be more than $120. This garland measures 6 feet, if I'm not mistaken, or maybe more. I'll be posting that information tomorrow as well. When I list these items on my website, I put all the information in the description. I put measurement information, any little details that you need to know, wreath care, whatever it is. I'm gonna go ahead and just translate a little bit in Spanish. So, esta es una guía, va alrededor de la puerta. La voy a poner en mi sitio de web mañana. Probablemente el precio va a ser $120 o cerca de ese precio porque esta guía está simple, no tiene mucho, solo que sí le agregué mesh, ¿verdad? Listón, también estas bolas con mucho brillo, estas grandes. Sí le agregué varias. Esta corona también la voy a agregar mañana. El precio probablemente va a ser más de $100 por el jack. Sí está grande la corona, está muy llena, bien bonita. Y voy a seguir con las próximas coronas. Si quieren entrar al giveaway, por favor de comentar durante este vivo. I'm going to go ahead and move on. Oh, sorry, I shook the phone stand. So this is one of the new wreaths that I've made. It is kind of perfect for fall or transition into fall because it still looks a little summer. You can use it for spring. Honestly, sunflowers are used almost year round for people who love sunflowers. Hi, thank you so much for joining, Vanessa. I'm gonna go ahead and add you to the giveaway. Good luck. I'm just writing it down. So this is a small wreath. It's not tiny, but it is smaller compared to my other wreaths. But look at how full I've made it. I've added some really large sunflowers, some smaller sunflowers, some greenery. It is made on a wire base. Here's the back. Lots of mesh, lots of ribbon, and it says give thanks. I'll be posting this wreath. I'm between $55 or $60 just because of the cost of material. Although it is smaller, I tried to make it look a little deluxe for those of you who don't want something too big in your door. Here's the ribbon that I used. I added greenery all around. I added 2 different types of deco mesh. Very, very cute. Sorry if you see some strands of the hot glue. I still haven't cleaned it up since I just made it today. So this is one of the new wreaths. We also have this Jack Skellington wreath. that garland, which I'll be making more, guys. It will look different. They're not all gonna look the same. And the last wreath that I'll be showing you is very large, very deluxe. This is a new wreath. I am not done with this wreath, but I wanted to show it to you guys because the only detail that I'm missing is I want to add something to the eyes of the skulls. I painted them myself, so I just want to add a little bit of contrast, maybe something black or some gems. It has lots of pink, lots of black and white. Here you go, close up. It has small pumpkins throughout. It has a zebra fur ribbon, lots of florals. I love this skeleton ribbon. It has a little bit of velvet as well. You see more of the little pumpkins, some ornaments, more florals. And this wreath is deluxe because not only of how full it is large, and I used a pine base. So it is very, very deluxe. It is slightly heavier than my other wreaths, guys. Super cute. If you are interested in any of these items, please follow me on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube. I'll be posting more information as soon as I post them up on my website. So that was the last wreath that I was going to be showing you guys. I didn't want to make this video too long because I have my kids in the other room. I don't have anybody helping me watch them, so I just wanted to hop on here, show you the new designs, let you all know that I do have a new YouTube channel. Go ahead and subscribe. I want to try to create a little bit more tutorials and how-to videos on how to paint certain items and decorate your front porch. So thank you all for joining us. I'm going to post this onto my news feed, and I'll be letting you all know who wins the giveaway. Thank you. Have a good night.